Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed about the biotic components and abiotic components of the environment. But in this video, we'll discuss about the biotic components of the environment in detail and its classification. You know that biotic components includes plants, animals and microorganisms. So in this video, we'll discuss the classification of these biotic components in detail. Let us discuss about plants and animals. Plants have green colored pigment called chlorophyll that absorbs sunlight and transports water and carbon dioxide into carbohydrates and oxygen. Chlorophyll is embedded in the membranes of chloroplast. So, in the process of photosynthesis, light energy is converted to chemical energy through the process of photosynthesis and forms organic compounds. Plants have green coloring pigment called chlorophyll which absorb energy from sunlight. They are green in color. Why they are in green in color? Because they contain the pigment chlorophyll and they are producing their own food. As they are producing their own food, they are called the producers. Solar energy from sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll in green leaves. In this diagram, you can see carbon dioxide is obtained from atmosphere, light is obtained from sunlight and forms carbohydrate and oxygen gas is released to the atmosphere. So photosynthesis in plants involves a series of steps and reactions that use solar energy. Water and carbon dioxide is used to produce organic compounds, glucose and oxygen gas is released. The process of preparing food by the green plants is called photosynthesis. The equation that represents photosynthesis: carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll produces glucose and oxygen. So carbon dioxide plus water forms glucose and oxygen. Green plants prepare their own food, that is glucose, and are called producers or autotrophs. Symbolic representation of photosynthesis. Chemical equation of photosynthesis. In word form, it will be written as carbon dioxide plus water in presence of light and chlorophyll produce glucose and oxygen. For carbon dioxide, it can be written as CO2 plus. For water, it will be H2O, and for glucose C6H12O6 and oxygen O2. For balancing, it will be written as it can be written as 6CO2 plus 6H2O in presence of light and chlorophyll produce C6H12O6 plus 6O2. So green plants are autotrophs that they produce their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Light energy is captured and used to convert water and carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. Let us discuss about consumers. What do you mean by consumers? Consumers are the animals that cannot prepare their own food. They have to depend on plants for their food. They are heterotrophs. Primary consumers. They are largely herbivores who eat plants, vegetables, grass and other types of vegetation. Examples are ruminants. They are grass eaters. Next, secondary consumers. They are carnivores. Example, big cats that include lion, tiger, jaguar, puma. They feed largely on herbivores. They have no predators in their natural habitat. Next, tertiary consumers. They are largely comprised of carnivores that feed largely on the primary consumers and secondary consumers, example snake, hawk and shark. Herbivores. Herbivores are the animals that depend on plant materials. Carnivores. Carnivores are the animals that eat flesh of other animals. Next is omnivores that eat plant materials and meat of other animals. Ants are also omnivores. Millipede is also omnivore. Microorganisms. Microorganisms are very small and cannot be seen to the naked eyes. They may be virus, bacteria. They are also called microbes. They cannot be seen to the naked eyes. The category microbes include a massive range of organisms include bacteria, fungi, virus, algae, and protozoans. The microorganisms, those who derive their food from dead and decaying plants and animal materials, they are called decomposers. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this video and express your thoughts in comment section. Share this video and subscribe the channel for more higher concept. Till then, goodbye.